All right, guys, I just also wanted to share a quick craft with you today. It's similar to some door hangers that I've seen on eBay and Amazon, but I made it in my own way and saved money doing so. So I purchased this at Walmart, and it's in the craft section. I didn't see it before today, so it was just a blank space. Picked up these letter decals in the scrapbooking section. They have several different things you can choose from, but I wanted something large and shiny. And you can see some of the other selections they have available on the back here. Next, you would just choose whatever quote, pick out the letters that you want to have on your blank space. I'm just continuing to easily apply and line up each letter. All right, I put in "We love dogs." All right, I hung it on my door. I added this burlap ribbon. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it this way. I might look for something. This is just something I had on hand. And I also added this red flower, which I also had on hand, which I like that part. I'm just not sure about the burlap. I hope you guys like this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more ideas, more crafts, and more content. Please like and subscribe, and have a great day.